Do you like it? Here, hold it up so I can see it, Josh. Hold it up.
It's from Toy Story 2.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
Joshy, happy birthday.
Thanks.
Happy birthday,
Thanks,
Josh.
guys.
Happy birthday.